Hello and welcome to today's math class. So first of all guys, can we all turn and say a big hello to our friends on camera?
Hello!
Hello! And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap and close our eyes. And when you're ready guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. Okay? And next we'll do our stretching sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin by stretching up high. High to the sky. And then we'll go down low. Touch our toes. Now, let's go back up high. And this time, can we go tippy-toe high? And when we're there, let's have a wave. And then, we'll go back down to touch our toes. Let's stand up straight. And we'll go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And next we'll do some stretches. Let's do 5 stretches to our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And next we'll do 5 stretches to our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's shake it off. Shake it off. Stop. And to finish, we'll do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. So who can tell me what we learnt about in the previous math lesson? Division is right. Okay, so let's write that word first. Division. D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N. Division. And we'll draw the division sign above. How many digits did we divide? Division of 2 digits. I-T-S. By how many digits? By one digit. B-Y, one digit. D-I-G-I-T. And then remember, in the previous lesson, we had some numbers left over at the end. Does anybody remember?
Remainder.
So we were using U-S-I-N-G, remainders. R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R-S. Excellent, guys. Division of two digits by one digit using remainders. Okay, so let's have a go at a couple of examples so that we can recap the previous lesson. I would like a volunteer. Who would like to help me? Bangpon, can you come and join me, please? Excellent. Okay, so let's see. We'll begin with, somebody give me some two-digit numbers. 25. Divided by 4. Okay, we'll go. 25 divided by 4 equals, Pangpon, over to you. Would you like black or blue? Black. Okay, so we're starting with 25. Divided by how many?
4.
By 4. So we need to work out how many times will 4 fit into 25.
6 or 1.
6. What do we think, Pangpon?
4.
How many? 4 into 25. How many times? 6. Excellent. Okay, so we're at the stage where we say 6. But what is 4 times 6? 24. So our number is 25. So how many numbers do we have left over at the end? 1. What do we do with that number? So we say 6. So we write 6 R1. R1. Excellent. Because we have 25 minus 24 equals 1. So we can't just forget about the 1. We need to include the 1 as a remainder. So all together, guys, 25 divided by 4 equals 6, remainder 1. Bangpon, is that correct?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you really sure?
Yeah.
High five. Round of applause for Bangpon. Let's do one more of the same type of equation just to refresh your memory one more time. And I would like one more volunteer. Pat, can you come and join me at the front? Okay guys, so I need another two-digit number. 55. Maybe a little bit low. 15, okay, we'll go with 15. 1, 5 divided by 2. Okay. So our problem, guys, all together, 15 divided by 2 equals, Pat, over to you. Would you like blue or black?
Blue.
Okay. So what do we need to do? How many times will 2 go into 15? 7. So we can say our answer is 7. Okay, Pat, so you can write 7.
You mean the 1?
7, okay. But are we finished? What is 7 times 2?
Equal 14.
14. But how many do we have?
15.
So what we need to do, we need to take the number we're dividing, 15, divided by 2 equals 7. So 7 times 2,
Equal 14.
14. Okay, so what we need to do to work out the remainders, 5 minus 4
Equal 1.
equals 1. 1 minus 1.
Equal 0.
So what's our remainder, guys?
1.
What do we write after 7? 7 or 1. Excellent, Pat. 7 or 1. So, altogether, our answer is 15
15
divided by
divided by
2 equals 7, remainder 1.
remainder 1.
Is that right, Pat?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Really sure?
Yeah.
Excellent. High five. Round of applause for Pat. And round of applause for everybody for remembering well. And now we're going to move on. We're still going to look at 2 digits by 1 digit. But today we're going to learn to use a different system, and this system is called long division. Long division. Very good, guys. So let's write this phrase on the board. For today, we will not be using remainders. We will be using long division. L-O-N-G. D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N. Division of 2 digits by 1 digit using long division. Okay, and there is a code. When we're using long division, there is a code that we need to use. Are you ready for the code? Okay? Daddy, Mommy, Sister. Yes, how do you know? Daddy, Mommy, Sister, brother. We need to remember the first letters of each word. D, M, S, B. Anyone have any ideas what the D stands for? Division. We need to, first step, divide. Yes. Then step 2, M. Multiply. Excellent. M, U, L, T, I, P, L, Y. S. Subtract. S, U, B, T, R, A, C, T. And then the final step, step number 4, B. Any ideas? Bring down, okay? We need to bring down. bring down. How do we spell down?
D-O-W-N.
Okay, so we can write these as 4 stages. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. Stage 1, daddy
Daddy.
means
Division.
division or divide. Stage 2, mommy
Multiply.
means to multiply. Stage 3, sister, subtract. Stage 4, brother means to bring down. Okay? And what we need to do when we're using long division, we need to use something called the division table. So now let's take a look at a video we have to learn more about long division. So guys, let's all turn our chairs to have a look at the TV screen. Okay, so let's take a look at the video, the steps to long division. The steps to long division.
Hey there, Clam. What you doing? Ooh, I don't get it. I don't understand. What's wrong? Man, long division. I don't know where to start or what to do. Oh no! Don't you worry. I can help. Just remember the first letters of Daddy, Mother, Sister, and Brother. What? The first letters, D, M, S, and B. It's an easy way to remember the step. Here, I'll show you. Daddy is divide. Mother is multiply. Sister is subtract. And brother is bringing down. Then repeat the steps. Ooh, yeah, I see. Daddy, mother, sister, and your brother. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Ooh, thanks you, Vale. Toodaloo.
Any questions, guys? So step 1, divide. Step 2,
Step 2.
multiply. Step 3,
Subtract.
subtract. And step 4,
Bring down.
bring down. Okay, excellent, well done. Welcome back to class, and we hope your students enjoyed our video about, are we ready guys? Division
Division
of 2 digits
2 digits
by 1 digit
by 1 digit
using
using
long division.
long division.
Excellent, guys. And who can remember our codes, our 4-step codes? What were them letters? We had first letter D, divide or division. D-I-V-I-D-E. Step number 2, M,
Multiply.
multiply. M-U-L-T-I-P-L-Y. Step number 3, S, subtract. S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T. And then the final step, B,
Bring down.
bring down. Excellent. B-R-I-N-G. D-O-W-N. Step 1, divide. Step 2, multiply. Step 3, subtract. Step 4,
Bring down.
excellent. Okay, so now I will demonstrate one equation on the board. We will have to do our multiplication, our division table first. So we will have 2 and 84. So what does this represent, guys? This represents 84 divided by 2. So step 1, divide. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Excellent. What's our next step? What's our next step, guys? Multiply. 2 times 4 equals 8. So we'll write 8 here. So that's step 2. What's step number 3, guys? 8 minus 8.
Equals 0.
And when we reach 0, we know we're done. When we get 0, we know we can move to the next column. So next, 4 divided by 2.
Equals 2.
Okay, but what we need to do first, we need to,
Bring down.
so we take the 4 and we bring it all the way down to here. And then we repeat the sequence. So we have 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Okay? 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. 4 subtracted by 4 equals 0. So we have 0, 0. We know these 2 columns are fine. There's no more numbers, so nothing else to bring down. So we have our answer. 84 divided by 2 equals 42. Understand, guys? Good. Because now what we're going to do is we're going to ask some of our students to come forward and demonstrate this equation using some flashcards. So teachers, for this lesson, you will need to print off your flashcards and cut them into individual problems. And then we will invite our students to come forward. So who would like to go first, guys? Okay, Prel, if you can come and join me. And what I'll do, I'll rub off this problem first. And if you would like to choose your flashcard. Okay, so next will be Prel, and Prel's calculation, 10 divided by 2. So which color would you like?
Blue.
Blue. There you go. Let me hold this for you. So 10 divided by 2 using long division. Okay, so step 1, we need to divide. So 1 divided by 2,
Equals 0.
0. And then multiply.
2 multiplied by 0 equals 0.
equals 0. Okay, so next step, subtract. 1 equals 1. Okay, so what do we do with this 1 now? We bring 0 down. So now we have how many? 10. Okay. So 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. 10 subtracted by 10 equals 0. Excellent. So now we know we're at the end because we have zeros. So we can say 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Is that right?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you really sure? High five. Round of applause for Prel. And this is how we're doing division of 2 digits by 1 digit using long division. Okay, so let's do one more with another student before we move on. Who would like to go next? Down. Can you come and join me, please? And can you choose? There you go. Can you show to your friends? What is the equation, guys?
53 divided by 3.
Okay. Which pen would you like? Black. Okay, so I'll hold that for you. 63 divided by 3. So first of all, we write our table. 63 divided by 3. So, okay. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. So that's fine. We know that column now is good. We're at 0. Next step, number 4, we will bring down number 3. Excellent. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 3 times 3 equals 3. Equals 3. Sorry, 3 times 1 equals 3. Excellent. And next step, 3 minus 3 equals 0. So we know that column's done because we're at 0. Any more numbers to bring down, guys? No, we're finished. 63 divided by 3 equals
21.
down. Is that correct?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you really sure? High five. Round of applause for down. Round of applause for everybody for following the lesson. And now it's time for our stretching sequence. So let's all stand up, guys, and push in our chairs. Okay, and we'll begin by walking on the spot. Stop. Turn left. Turn left again. Left again. And left. Hello.
Hello.
And let's walk on the spot. Stop. Walk on the spot. Jogging on the spot. Stop. Jogging on the stop. Jogging on the spot. Quickly. Stop. Quickly. Stop. Turn right. Turn right again. Turn right. And right again. Hello. And to finish, we're going to do 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. Teachers, it's now time for our worksheet activity. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to print off a worksheet for each of your students in your class. And what there are, similar to previous lessons, we have 8 division problems. But what we need to do for this lesson is our students need to work out the problems using the long division method. Okay, guys? And for this lesson, there shouldn't be any remainders. We'll look at that in future. So for today, there will be no remainders to worry about, but our students do need to use the long division method. So guys, what's the first thing we must do?
Bring it on top.
Yes, and give our students around 15 minutes for this activity because it'll involve quite a complicated process with long division. So Ned,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Dan.
Thank you.
Welcome, Ned.
Thank you.
Hello, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Okay, guys. So we've got 8 problems there. Should we have a go at doing the first one together? Our first problem. Who can tell me what the first problem is? 34 divided by 2. So let's draw our multiplication table. What goes, division table. What goes inside? 34 goes inside. And what goes outside? 2. Okay. So first step. First step. Divide. 3 divided by 2 equals 1. Okay? And then, what do? We have 2 times 1. Okay? 3 minus 2. 1. Okay? And then what's step number 4? Bring down. 4. And then we start the process again. 2 or 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Okay? So now, 2
times 7 equals
14. Okay? So now, step 3. 14 minus 14 equals 0. So once we get to 0, what do we know? We're done. 34 divided by 2 equals 17. There you go, guys. That's the answer to equation number 1 using long division. So have a go yourselves working through the next problems. And if you get stuck, you know our 4 steps. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet of how to work out division 2-digit by 1-digit problems. And what system have we started to use today, guys? Long division. And what steps do we need to look at when we do long division? How many steps? 4. Step 1.
division.
divide. Step 2, multiply. Step 3, subtract. And step 4, bring down. And our students here all did a great job, so well done, guys. And that's it for today's lesson. So we hope you found it interesting and had some fun too, learning about long division. We'll see you again soon for the next math lesson. So for now, can we all turn to wave and say goodbye? Goodbye. Bye-bye. See you again soon.